Hey, what's up everybody? So today we're going to be installing a new bathtub drain. So I picked up some plumber's putty just from Ace Hardware, just for about $2.99, and I'm going to go ahead and get ready to put this around this drain. Underneath the chrome lip of the drain, I'm going to go ahead and put the plumber's putty. First start off by rolling it up, just kind of softening it up a little bit, and then I'm going to roll it up. I'm using one hand here because the other hand's on the phone, the camera. But I'm going to go ahead and kind of soften it up a little bit, and then I'm going to get ready to wrap it around that lip of the chrome drain cover. It's important to make sure that you get enough on. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of snip that extra plumber's putty off, and I'm going to make sure it's pretty much covering around the lip. I want to make sure that it's not too high on the threading, because when I put it down I want to make sure that I'm able to tighten it enough without that putty getting in the way. You can also use Teflon tape if you feel more comfortable with it, but got that on, and now I'm going to go ahead and get it set onto the tub. I am going to just go ahead and tighten it by hand at first, and then I'll go ahead and use the actual tool. You're going to see the actual plumber's putty kind of splurge out a little bit as I get tighter, and that's normal. That's just going to be able to come right off as it gets set in place. So now that it's kind of nice and snug, I'm going to go ahead and get the drain tool, and this works perfectly for tightening up the bathtub drain. It's got the two sizes, works well on 95% of the bathtubs where I remove the drain. As you can see, as I'm tightening it, you don't want to go too tight. You want to make sure it's real snug, but you don't want to over tighten the drain. And you can see the plumber's putty starting to kind of ooze out around the sides as it gets tighter. And now I'm just going to go ahead and fill it with water so I can just test it out and make sure that there's no leaks. And there you have it. Pretty simple and easy DIY tub drain install.